Good morning and Sai Ram students. Welcome back to your online classes in maths. Today we are going study about lines. In previous video we have already studied about lines. Basically, how many types of lines are there? There are 4 types of lines. This already we have studied in previous video. So today again we'll continue with the same chapter, chapter number 11, lines and lines. Okay? So, open your book, page number 88. This is maths book, page number 88. In this page, you will draw some figures joining with the help of dots. Okay? So, design with dots. Here, you will draw some figure with the, when you will join these dots, you will make figure. So, join the dots with curved or straight lines. Make your own designs. You can draw any type of design here. Okay? Like we can make, or you can make like this. First you will draw one sleeping line, then standing line. Okay? Then again sleeping line, and now this side again you will make one sleeping line, standing line, and then you will make sleeping line and then standing line. Okay, like this you can draw figure of your choice. Use curved line, use slanting, standing or sleeping lines and make your own designs. Okay, so on page number 88 you will draw any design. Okay, now move on page number 89. This is page number 89. In this page, what question is given? Nancy saw these pictures made by folk artist. Here some pictures are given. Here you see some pictures are given. Look for different types of lines: curved, standing, slanting and sleeping. These pictures made with the help of different type of lines like sleeping line, standing line, isn't it? Here if we will draw, if I want to draw this bird, so for this bird first we'll draw this curve line and one more curve line. Okay, now here we'll draw two slanting line for beak. Okay, and here we can draw one curve line and one more curve line. Okay, like this, and down here for their feet we can make standing line and slanting line. Like this we can complete the figure, and here for this bird's tail we can use slanting lines. Okay, so by using different type of lines you also can make different type of figures or pictures. Okay, so here you will draw some more pictures like this. Okay, by using different type of lines. For these pictures again you can use curve line, then you can use sleeping line, then slanting line, one more slanting line, then again one more sleeping line. Like this you can draw any type of picture, figure, dancing figure. Okay, like this you can use different type of lines. So same, you will use curved line, standing line, slanting line and sleeping line. With the help of these lines, you will draw some more pictures here. Here you will draw some more pictures, at least 2 pictures you will draw here down. Okay. Now, this is the question you will do in your notebook. Students, there is some homework for you using lines and curves. You have to draw 5 more dancing figure in your notebook. Some more dancing figure you will draw in your notebook. Okay, as you see in your book. Any type of dancing figure you can draw. Okay, now move on. Next question. What question is given? Now write some numbers using straight lines. Question is, write some numbers using straight line. All numbers from 1 to 10 can be written using straight line. Isn't it? All number 1 to 10 can be written using straight line. Here I have used matchsticks to showing you these numbers. How to make numbers. You will also take matchsticks and paste in your notebook and showing number for showing numbers. Okay. Like for 0, how many matchsticks we can use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Same for 1, we can use 2 matchsticks. 1, 2. Like this, all 1 to 10 number you will paste. You will not draw, you will paste with the help of matchsticks and you will show these numbers in your notebook. Isn't it? Okay. Clear, children? From 1 to 10 numbers, you will take matchsticks and with the help of matchsticks, you will paste or you will make these numbers in your notebook. Okay. Now, next question is, what about writing letters using straight lines? Which one are easy? What about writing letters using straight lines? Writing letter using straight lines are easy. Writing letters using straight lines are easy. The letters are which we can write easily are E, A, E, F, I, H, L, T, V, K, W. These are some letters which we can write easily, isn't it? With the help of straight lines. So, what about writing letters using straight lines? Writing letters using straight lines are very easy. These are some letters which we can write easily with the help of straight line. Okay. Next is, collect used matchstick. Have fun making letters with these. These are some used matchsticks. These are not fresh matchsticks. These are used matchsticks. With the help of these used matchsticks, you can also fun and you will make letters with the help of these used matchsticks. These are small alphabets and this is made by used matchsticks. Okay, like this you will you will also do this work in your notebook. Okay? Next question is, I hope you all have understood how you will do your work in your notebook and in your book. Okay? Once again, I will tell you these pictures, dancing figures, how you will draw these dancing figures in your notebook. See, if you want to draw tree, how you will draw tree? First you will make straight line. Okay? And then you will make one more straight line, little slanting. Okay? Then slanting line. These type of slanting lines you will draw here, and then you will make curve line for leaf. These are the curve line. Okay? This is curve line. So these type of lines like this you will make. Okay? And some slanting lines again you will draw inside the leaf. Okay? So by using these curve line, standing line, slanting line, you can draw 5 more figures. Okay? One dancing figure I am showing you. Like you want to draw dancing figure, so you can make one circle. Okay, for face, and then for body you can use this sleeping line and then slanting line. Okay, then you will draw one more sleeping line, and for hand you can make curve line, and for legs you will use slanting, 2 slanting lines. Okay, like this you can make dancing figures. Okay, now I hope you have to understood how you will make these figures, how you will do your work in your notebook and in your book. Okay, so see you soon in next video. Till then, you take care of yourself. Thank you and Sai Ram.